A for
apple.
apple means
Save.
B for
Ball.
ball means
Game.
C for
Cat.
cat means
Billy.
meow meow. D for
Dog.
dog means
Kutta. Boop, boop.
E for
Elephant.
elephant means
हाथी. हाथी बहुत ही बड़ा होता है.
F for
Fish.
fish means
मछली. मछली जल की रानी है.
G for
Gun.
gun means
बंदूक.
H for
Hen.
hen means
मुर्गी.
I for
Ice cream.
ice cream means
Ice cream. Wow, yummy.
J for
Joker.
joker means
Joker.
K for
Kite.
kite means
पतंग. पतंग बहुत ऊपर उड़ती है.
L for
Lion.
lion means
शेर. शेर जंगल का राजा है.
M for
Monkey.
monkey means
बंदर.
N for
Nose.
nose means
नाक. O for owl. O for owl. O for owl. Owl means ullu. O is for owl. Owl, owl, owl. P for parrot. P for parrot. P for parrot. Parrot means soda. P is for parrot. Parrot, parrot, parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. Q is for queen. Queen, queen, queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. R is for rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. S for shape. S for shape. S for shape. Shape means जहाज. S is for shape. Shape, shape, shape. T for tiger. T for tiger. T for tiger. Tiger means cheetah. E is for tiger. Tiger, tiger, tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella.
U for
Umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. U is for umbrella. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. V for van. V for van. V for van. Van means van. V is for van. Van, van, van. W for watch. W for watch. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. W is for watch. Watch, watch, watch. X for Xmas tree. X for tree. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Christmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Y is for yak. Yak, yak, yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. Z is for zebra. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Thanks for watching video. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और वीडियो को लाइक भी. बाय.